Okay, MBULELO K. Kana ke ske episode ya bokae? Ya bobedi ne? Sharp. Episode ya bobedi ga fana ka di tips. I get khaletse le batla di tips hore if you are an upcoming artist, what is it that you need to do, right? Ha re yeng o tsona.
Ya fera.
Hey yo, Kenan, let's do it.
MBULELO.
Yeah. Mara abonne na kisatan, abonne na yang limas, when abonne na yang kotas, my money abonne na kisatan, abonne na yang limas, when abonne na yang kotas, my money.
Sure. Lesson number 1. This one you need to focus. Always udlo focus mo ho yona. You develop your sound. Our style is how you need to have a certain unique style. So that re tsebe hore ha o kena pineng go mona na ho kena LYON, mona na ho kena Nasty C, you know. For mohlala, let's say you rap, let's say you had a feature on a song with somebody, and then a lot of people are not familiar with your voice, but then for you to actually be it's a sure ba tseba hore mona na ho kena mama o create a style sa house, let's say how ke like nna for mohlala MBULELO K wa bo, in that way ga tseba gore ke sound in that way ga tseba gore ke team mona ke neng kana o re fana ka o kena yeah, wow, get style that in you. So every time when you wanna be unique or create a certain style somehow and a certain sound, yeah, how because of we wanna see you as different. You understand? Sure.
So my bonus on short how the well Mfana is bit as I was lele I'm a rota pushing I'm a fan of spell show me like it changes hang it changes Tabelo Zagavela di Lendi like it changes hang it changes Sasa Sarona Sona dependent I'm 100 I'm 100 I'm 100 I'm 100 Itata la majwala na Ibata la majwala na Itata la majwala na Itata la majwala na Ibata la majwala na Itata la majwala na
Lesson number 2. You network le di artists tse ding. So that ba tseba gore o teng. So that ba tseba gore wa exist, you know. Network le di artists tse ding and stay consistent. Wabo. So that every time I want something e hlaelang ha re tlo lebala. Let's say there's an event e tsalang kasi, we know LYON is always ready to be booked. You understand? Because relationship yo it tlo sebeletsa ka ntwana gore every time there's something e tsalang ga o beat. You understand? So if you isolate when or when you're not about to let the artists sitting or take a celebrity, remember you just qala this thing, you just starting. How qala you cannot ka mentality one when o batla ba celebrity kapo wena o mama you the shit. No, nobody's a shit. Qala from scratch, from the dust. What I mean. Lesson number 3.
uhlale so ube waka. Why you leaving so soon, darling? Why you leaving so soon? We see you my head job, we still gonna hit far. Hey, come shining on me. The phone I wanna went up there. Hey, with my head job, we still gonna hit far.
Lesson yawuqedela is always make sure or utilize a social media how like social account how highly clean, you know. Okay, you want people to take you serious, but then on a linda mafura. You understand? So quality always sells. If it's not quality, then you won't sell. Well, what I didn't you? Quality ke yone sela and o dula o collaborate le di brand tse ding, because if you don't collaborate with other brands, you're not gonna, you understand, nobody's going to take you serious. Okay, nobody's going to see you as unique as you wanted to be seen. But what I think
Let's do it.
Bule, okay. Y pasa, wow, okay. O pasa, Dimin do ten cold, y pasa, and is in ten cold.